Top 5 Tips for Earning Money Online. Identify your skills and interests. Determine what you're good at and what you enjoy, as this will help you find the right online opportunities that suit your abilities and passions. Build a strong online presence, establish a professional website, social media accounts, and create a strong personal brand that showcases your skills and talents. Offer freelance services. Consider freelancing as a way to earn money online by offering your services to clients in fields such as writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Sell products online. Use platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, or eBay to sell goods online, whether they be physical products or digital products such as ebooks or courses. Invest in affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products to your followers and online audience. When someone buys a product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission.